we discussed, right?
We need to set up what do you call it? I would say
Mm. The server Tomcat, you remember for database
yeah, that's
MySQL.
right. That's what it was. Yes, Tomcat.
Mhm. Yeah. So we need to install those now. Okay. So there are a few things that we need to follow, like the particular order, so that we won't face any trouble. Okay. So we'll go
hmm
one by one. So first thing first, like we need to set up a Java platform on your system. Okay.
hmm
So Java platform is the Tomcat server and SailPoint is developed by Java. So we need a Java JDK to run the system.
hmm
So we need a Java JDK on your laptop. Okay.
Okay.
Java JDK. Oh,
JDK. What does that
yeah,
stand
Java.
for?
So it's a Java development toolkit.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. So it's just like a software where we run a Java programs.
Okay.
Okay. And the version that we need to use for our SailPoint is a JDK 8.
Right.
Okay. And then next, we need a application server, right?
hmm
Application server. And for application server, I mentioned before class, if you remember, it's called Apache Tomcat.
hmm
And the version is 9, 9.0. Okay.
hmm
And for database, we need a MySQL.
hmm
MySQL 5.7 will be good, or we can go with 8 also,
hmm
8.0. And that's it. And we need a SailPoint zip file too.
hmm
Okay. And now we are, I think now right now the version we are using is 8.4. So we will set up SailPoint 8.4 on your system. Okay.
hmm
Mm. So yeah. So do you have any questions like what are these or something like that? I mean, at least you got some idea, right? Why we need application server, why we need database. We discussed these three, I think, in last class. I didn't mention about the Java JDK.
I have a question.
Yeah,
Am I pronounce is it Kranti or am I
Kranti.
Kranti? Okay, yeah. So will you be walking us through a SailPoint lab and using all of these technologies to form some kind of maybe like an integration or something on SailPoint, or are you just gonna like um
Hmm. So, I mean, we need these softwares to set up our SailPoint lab.
okay,
So
okay,
these are the prereq softwares that we need to set up our SailPoint, to install our SailPoint on our system.
okay, I'm following.
Hmm. Okay. Am I talking with Rafi or?
No,
Uh,
this is I was telling you about him yesterday. This is Hanad. He is
uh-huh.
also another person that's learning identity and access management.
Uh-huh.
Telling you about his brother. I think you spoke with Yusuf last time. So this is
Oh, yeah, yeah.
yeah, his
Okay.
brother.
Oh,
So
you
he and I are
mentioned one.
studying together.
Okay, so he has an idea, right? Like how it is. Like last time we discussed some about web application and all that. He has idea about that, right?
Yeah, I think so, Hanad. I think knows some of that basic stuff.
I
He
Yeah,
knows
mean,
more than
like
me.
what is server and all that, at least
yeah, I'm
database.
familiar. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
familiar
he knows
with
that.
all this. Yeah.
He has like two
Okay.
Okta certifications, so he learned some of the
Mm-hmm.
basic stuff in those.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I mean, at least he has some prereq, right? So that we can go with this setup directly instead of go through the basics again.
hmm
Yeah. Okay. So, uh, okay, we'll install this. Okay, one moment. You can share your screen and we'll go through and we'll install the softwares one by one and we can set up a lab on your system.
Okay. One more question. So we can, so we, even me, I can also have access to SailPoint IIQ. Like, is it free or?
Mhm. Yep, it's free. It's like we are setting on premises, and so you just need you don't need any subscription for that. You can set up on your laptop. It's free.
Wow, I
These
didn't
are
know that.
yeah. It's I mean you cannot use for like business purpose. Just for practice, you can set up.
Yeah. Another question. Does it have to be Java JDK 8 or can a newer one suffice or is it easy?
No, just we need to go with a Java JDK 8 only because
Okay.
SailPoint supports only 8.
Okay.
Right now it's 21, I guess. SailPoint doesn't support 21.
Right.
They developed on Java 8, so they were insisting to use a Java JDK 8 only instead of other versions for
Right.
a better working experience.
Right.
Yeah. So, I mean, do you have any questions on this? Like why we need these or like
No. No,
why
no.
Tomcat, why MySQL?
I'm familiar with all of these technologies you mentioned at the beginning.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Except
then
for
that's
SailPoint.
good.
SailPoint is the only one I haven't had access to. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I look forward to learning from you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay. No problem. So, Rafi, are you going to share your screen so we can install this softwares one by one and
Yeah,
we
you
can
can't see
set
my
up in
screen?
our... No, let me stop my screen sharing.
Okay, let me start again.
Yeah, you can start again.
Okay. The first one is called Java JDK.
JDK
Yeah, just put
8.
JDK, yeah. 8.
Yeah.
Look, yeah, you need the
Go to there and download 8. Or else just type Java JDK 8 for
yeah,
I guess
Google
on your
JDK 8.
Google.
Yeah,
Yes.
Google JDK 8.
Mm-hmm.
This one?
Yeah, just scroll down. It's Windows, right? So go for Windows 64-bit. Scroll down.
This one.
Yeah. Yes. It's asking for account. Do you have account?
No.
No. Okay. Actually, it should not ask for account details. It will download automatically.
So this is maybe well,
Mm.
it seems legitimate. I don't think it's a fake website. No, this is
Uh,
Oracle. This is real.
this is
Fine.
Oracle. Yeah.
Do I do all this?
And no need actually. You no need to do this. Actually, it should install automatically. Let me check on my folder, like, do I have any so that I can send on your email. You can set
Okay.
up easily.
Okay. It's got a little lock sign next to it. Hmm.
So, how's your classes going on? You told you are going through AWS, Google, all that.
Yeah.
They're all going good.
Yeah. Excuse me. Learning some learning some basics of what do you call it?
Hmm.
Yesterday I covered some basic stuff. What is it called? Data, basically data migration and that kind of stuff with the coach.
Hmm.
And trying to find someone for Okta. And that's it.
Okay. You did Okta, right? Are you still learning, or are you looking to learn Okta?
Yeah, I'm trying to find someone who's an expert in Okta
Uh-huh.
to
Okay.
continue meeting with them daily.
Okay. You told you did certifications on Okta.
Just one.
Just one. Okay.
Yeah, I understand the very, very, very basics.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I will send to you mail. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
you're gonna send him the JDK? Can you send it to me as well?
Okay, I will. Is there any way I can send to you? Put in a chat, something like that.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, send it.
I will reply to this
Put it in
meeting
the group
email.
chat.
I think we already have a mail, like we set up a Zoom call, right? So I will reply to that mail so that you both can access.
That's perfect.
Okay.
I think I can't put in a chat because it's little a big file, I think.
Yeah, that's fine. You can email it.
Yeah. It's 1.58 GB. So I'm just checking how can I share to you.
Oh, dang. You can try maybe we transfer.
Which one? WeTransfer?
WhatsApp actually allows you big files, by the way.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh, is the email not working?
Email, I think it's showing more time. Okay, now I got it. Okay, I'm
You
sending
can you can
JDK.
pass much bigger files on WhatsApp than email. Just FYI.
Hmm. Okay, I break down into small pieces. I'm sending one by one. Now I'm sending JDK. Once that is done, I will send the IQ as well.
Okay.
So before that, do you have any questions? Like any from past class, from a last class?
Man,
So
I
you're
don't
busy, I
even
think. You didn't get a chance to
even
think
try
of
to
it
get my
as well,
brain
I
to think
think.
about what we learned. It's going to be a tough question for me right now. But let's just say no immediate questions came up in between so far.
Uh-huh. Okay. So I mean, how you are learning parallelly this much technologies? It should be overwhelming, right, for you?
Intolerance of your
Mm.
present creates your future, man. I have no choice.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
I gotta find a job. I
That's the
gotta I
main
gotta make
goal,
myself
right?
marketable for everything until I can become a specialized person in something.
Hmm. I agree with you. We need to do, I mean, whatever way to get a job. Once we get a job, we can chill.
Yeah, when you have wide array of, things that you can at least speak to, you can make yourself a
Hmm.
little bit more marketable for different types of jobs. So if when I get into the interview, if I know
Hmm.
nothing, I'm not even gonna get the interview. But if I know something and I can
Hmm.
sell them on the rest and say, hey man, I don't know too much about this, but I know I can learn it, and I have all these
Yeah.
other skills, they might give you a chance.
Hmm.
That's why I want to learn a
Yes.
little bit of a lot of different things like data and Okta and identity, DevOps, blah blah blah.
Hmm. Okay, could you please put Hana the email as well in the chat so that I will add him to
Yeah.
my Google Drive so that he can access to the zip file. I just uploaded zip file on a Google Drive.
Oh, you sent the emails? Oh, it wasn't in.
Email of you.
You can send it to Zach Wheeler. He's also another one of my friends. He's in the call too. Just other email. My email is rafi1220@gmail.com.
Mhm.
You can just send it to me and I'll forward it to
So
them.
so you three guys are learning SailPoint now? Zach, Jack Wheeler
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, and Okta also.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm very familiar with Okta, identity
Mm-hmm.
access management. I worked as an IAM analyst for,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So, but I never was I just did like low level tickets, kind of like a help desk technician.
Mm-hmm.
But my title was IAM analyst. So, because Okta, the cloud platform is just available and you can just make a developer account. Um, I'm able I've made like lots of labs and um yeah. So
Okay.
but I didn't know I had the ability to do that with SailPoint. Even my brother Yusuf, he told me he's a IM
Uh,
consultant and he
yeah,
told me
Rafi
this.
mentioned about that.
Yeah, he didn't mention that this was possible.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, so just download this Google Drive.
Yeah, just download that Google Drive. There you'll find the JDK, MySQL, and all those softwares.
Perfect.
Hey, can you tell me what your name was?
Kranti.
Kranti? Thank you, Kranti. I was here for the last call. Can you please give me a takeaway for the last call? Like something I should. What was the main thing we were
Sorry,
on?
your voice is breaking.
Mhm. Okay. You're Can you hear me? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you, but there's a little crack in between.
Oh. Okay. Well, I'm looking for a a takeaway, like a consensus from the
Mm-hmm.
last call.
Okay. So
I know that
last
I'm
class, you want to know what we discussed in last class?
yeah, like one or two major things.
So I mean, just we discussed the prerequisites that we need to learn a SailPoint. Just we discussed on a web application, like architecture of a web application,
Mhm.
and why we need a SailPoint, and also we discussed on the difference between IAM, PAM, and IGA, and we also discussed on why we need SailPoint, and that's it. These are the major topics we discussed with Rafi.
Yeah, I thank you. I'm just making sure I'm learning something.
Mm-hmm. That's good. You guys able to access the drive, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
mine's
yeah,
downloading.
mine's downloading
Mm-hmm.
as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Should be finished in 1 minute. So is it possible to do the same with, say, like CyberArk? Could I install CyberArk on premises for free?
Actually, I didn't set up CyberArk, so I have no idea.
No,
I didn't have much idea about CyberArk. I need to check that. I think it's not an open source software, CyberArk.
it's
I'm
not
not
open source
sure.
software. So
Yeah,
SailPoint is completely open source, or is SailPoint IIQ?
it's not like a open source.
Uh-huh.
I mean, they just provide on their websites. Just we can use it for practice purpose only,
Right.
not for like you can't set up for any organization like that.
Yeah.
So just to learn, we can set up ourselves on our
Right.
laptop and just use it.
Awesome.
And that is one of the USP of the SailPoint. They have a huge documentation, everything on their website, and everybody can access that.
Perfect.
And other IAM providers like Savient and all that, they won't provide those products on their websites openly.
Okay, so I'm gonna share screen again. Mine finished download.
Mm-hmm.
So Kranti,
Yes, Jack.
hi. So I
I
should focus on Pam, and I should focus on IAM, right?
You focused on PAM?
Just that you want me to focus on Pam, and that's the major thing to learn.
Right now we are focusing on only IAM, and
Okay.
that is the major, I think, major part of the IAM pillars. And PAM is like if you learn PAM also, that will be good. Like it was like add-on for you to applying for jobs.
Brother, so the how do what is the what do you call it? The execution files.
What is the execution files?
Can you
Now
see my
go to
screen?
the,
Yeah.
yep, I can see your screen. Go to the JDK 8 folder. Yep,
JDK folder. Uh-huh.
8.
You're gonna
Yep.
have to
And
extract everything first.
yes,
Okay.
just give a double click and it will extract all. Have you ever set up a JDK, I mean Java on your system before?
Mm, no.
No, this is
I
the first
have
time. Okay.
I have the JDK 21 installed. I'm wondering if I should I uninstall it right now? Is there
I
gonna be any
think
interference?
we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. Like, I think it doesn't matter if we have a both. We can set up an environment variables. We'll see if it doesn't work. We will uninstall Java 21 and we'll work on only Java 8.
I'm just gonna go ahead and uninstall it.
I mean, if you are using Java 21 for any other purpose, so I
No,
think you
I
need it to.
haven't touched it in like at least 2 years. So
Okay, then you can go ahead and delete that.
yeah.
Because SailPoint supports only Java JDK 8. If we go for 9 also, it will give some errors. So better go with the JDK 8 only. I think you can ignore that. It is just extracting files from that zip folder. I think you already did that, right?
You're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you. It is telling copying 13,242 items from.
I don't know why it's copying.
No,
Mhm.
it's I think this is the extraction. So it's
Uh-huh.
extracting. It looks like it's extracting the entire file that you sent, not just in order to download the JDK 8, it has to extract everything that you sent. So
Mm-hmm.
I think that's what's happening right now. Mine's like at 32%. So
Okay. Oh. And I'm sending a SailPoint 8 8.4 version over email. Okay. I think in that zip folder we can see only SailPoint 7. Why it is taking so much time? It should happen immediately.
I don't know, man. It's a big software, I guess.
JDK won't take that much time, actually.
This is a very large file, man. Mine's about 50%, 60% complete.
Mhm. Let me find a URL so that you can download it from Google itself. Rafi, meanwhile, you can download the MySQL workbench. I sent a link on WhatsApp. Go
Okay.
through that once. Just that one for the download this on your laptop.
The Windows 64-bit, right?
Yes.
Just this first one, I think, right?
Yeah, first one. And download the Tomcat 9 as well.
Tomcat what?
Tomcat version 9.
If I'm not mistaken, it should be extracting. Oh, did you not include it in the file?
I think it was in there.
It says Apache Tomcat 7.
Actually, we are doing that only for Java JDK 8. Remaining all are little old, so that we'll go with the latest version.
Okay.
Since for Java 8, it is asking logins, right? So we didn't have option to download it.
Is this right here? Is this it?
Yeah, go to 9. If you see download on a left side, left, and there at 9, Tomcat 9 version. Yeah, download Windows version. Zip file, something, whatever. 64-bit Windows zip file. Core, go to core on inside the core, fourth one. Yeah. Yes, it's already installed.
Already installed, or these are just the
I
files?
think it's just extracted. This is just a file. It-
So how do we run that?
So we'll do
Actual
one thing. Go to desktop and create one folder and create a folder called SailPoint. Place this Tomcat on that folder.
all of this,
The
right?
not all this. The zip file that you extracted, that you downloaded.
This one.
Yep. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Now we are good with the server and go to the downloads and double click on the MySQL 8.442. Yeah, and open that. Okay, it's not installing. Did you try it clicking double click? Give a double click on that software.
Which software? Which of these?
Yeah, it has to give us to something like it's downloading MySQL, something like that.
Nope. I don't say anything like that.
Mhm.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Open that, go inside once.
Maybe it's already here.
Oh, it's already here. Okay,
Is any one of
that's
these?
cool. Yeah, click on the workbench once. Yep, open that. Okay, it's already downloaded, I think. So go to open your terminal once, like the terminal command prompt. Yep, and try type MySQL once, MySQL, and click enter, or give a small letters MySQL and the space MySQL space version hyphen version. Give a hyphen. I mean the space, then later version. Give some space and give hyphen version. Yeah. Okay. It's not recognizing. Okay. So go to the search and type MySQL and open MySQL shell.
And this is MySQL 5.7, right? The one that's in the file you sent.
I think Rafi downloaded this. This MySQL is not from the file that we have extracted. This is different. He downloaded from Google just now.
Okay, let me.
So you have downloaded MySQL Shell 8.4, and we can go with this. So just close this tab. Just close this terminal. Go to your folders, programming files. Go to File Explorer. Go to C drive. This PC. This PC. Yeah. And programming files. Are you able to see MySQL? Yeah. Okay. Open that. Uh, Open MySQL Shell 8. No, MySQL Server 8. Server folder. Yeah. Go to bin. 1 second. Stay here. Copy this path. If we see, yeah, complete path. Complete address
Download
server.
here.
All the way to bin. Yes. And open environment variables. Go to search at the bottom and try type environment variables. Yep.
So do I only need? I'm doing this setup right now. Do I only need the server, or
Yeah,
should
we need server.
we don't? I don't need to do the full installation of MySQL.
Actually, if you download one, it all will download automatically. So right now we are using only server in that.
Okay, I
So
understand.
click environment variables. So go to user variables and click new. I mean on top of that where you can see new inside the environment variables, you can see new, right? New variable. We need to add a new user variable to that. Yep. Give variable name as a MySQL, something like that. MySQL home. Give hyphen home. I mean underscore home. Yeah. And variable value as the path that you have copied.
Another underscore.
No. Go
Oh,
to value and copy paste it. Yeah. Click OK. Yeah. And go to system variables, just little scroll down. Scroll down a bit. Add new, click new. Mm, no. Cancel this. Cancel. And if we scroll there, you can see a variable called path.
variable called what?
In system variables, there is a variable called path. Path.
What do you? This?
Not there. Here in the system
Here.
variable itself. Yep. Open that. Click edit. Yeah. And add the thing that you have copied before the path. Just you can select one of the column at the bottom below the putty. Yeah. Paste it here. Yeah, that one. And save it. Okay. And again, click OK. Yep. And again, click OK here. And now open a new terminal and type MySQL now once. Yep, click enter. Access denied for ODBC localhost using password. No. Okay. Type MySQL, type MySQL, MySQL space hyphen version. Yeah. Click enter. Okay. Now your system is detecting MySQL server. So the thing is like we are not able to access it. Access denied for user ODB. Have you used any MySQL? Have you used MySQL server before on your system?
Um, yeah, to run some SQL queries. I think so.
Okay. So you already have MySQL in your system.
Maybe. I
Maybe.
think so.
Okay. Okay. I thought you were installing it for first time. So we can use that, right? The existing one. I think you guys already installed the latest version 8. Okay. So go to programming files. We'll check it like whether you already have it or not. Okay. Just scroll a bit. I can see only MySQL folder one time. Open that. 6/30/2024. Is that the time you install it? Long back?
Mm, maybe. It wasn't,
No,
I don't think
it
it was
had
that
to be.
long
It
ago.
had to
Maybe,
be.
Maybe.
maybe. Actually,
Maybe.
yeah, I
Okay.
did. I did. I was trying to learn some SQL back in the day. So yeah, that's probably sounds about right.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
so I
okay.
just finished installing MySQL, Kranti.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you already have MySQL in your system or you are doing it for first time on your Hanad? I'm talking with
This is
Hanad.
the first, yeah, I've never downloaded MySQL before.
Okay. So
I just finished installing.
we can set up in one of the systems so that you guys can share each other. I mean, you guys can discuss and you guys can set up each other. So with on which system you want me to do?
Let's do it on mine.
Let's do it
Yeah.
on yours. Okay. Okay, so I think the zip file is already extracted. We'll set up JDK now, okay? We'll look on the MySQL later, okay? I think there's a
Okay.
problem with the access. There's a username password mismatch since you already have it. Okay, we'll figure it out, okay? So
Okay.
first we'll set up a JDK.
Sure.
So open the extracted file that you have did already.
Open the extracted file.
Uh, Extraction is done, right? I think it is taking so much time for that.
It's not that, right?
If we If you come down, there is a yellow orange mark something on that folder, right? At the bottom in the tab, task manager tab, file explorer.
Let me close some of these first. It's too many things up.
Yeah, you can close those.
Okay, so now everything is closed. We need to go and
Everything is the first we'll go step by step, okay? First we set
okay.
up Java, then later we can go with the Tomcat, then later we can go with the MySQL. Okay?
Okay.
So yeah, go to the file that you have extracted. I mean the one that I shared to you.
Like here?
Not this one. Go to downloads. Yes, the bottom one under Rafi Chaudhary PDF. There you can see SailPoint 7.0 setup Windows folder. Not this one. It's a zip folder, right? There you can see, yeah, folder in the bottom. I mean, in that from the top, it is sixth one.
This one?
Yes, yes. Open that and go to JDK 8 and double click on that.
That's the thing that I downloaded for a long time, right?
Yes. And click next, next. That's fine. So we are downloading Java because our SailPoint is developed using Java and the Tomcat also uses Java only. So they need a platform to run. So that's why we are downloading Java JDK 8.
Okay. Next steps.
Yep. Next step. Oh, it's taking. Okay, you can just close it. It's fine. Go to that. You can see in the taskbar, right? The blue color system at the bottom. You need to check in the task manager tab at the bottom. That's a big gray color line there. Yeah, over there.
This.
Then the next one. Yes, that one. Yeah, click close.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And go to terminal. Go to open new terminal, or else you can go with this. That's fine. You can use this. Type Java and I space version, same like we did for MySQL. Hyphen version. Okay, now it is not recognizing. Now your system is not recognizing Java. Where is our Java is? Like you install your Java in your laptop, but your
Mm-hmm.
system is unable to recognize it. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
for that we need to set up a environment variables. Environment variables helps laptop to understand where the softwares are. Okay, so for that purpose, we use environment variables. So now we need to let the laptop know where the Java is located. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now go to folder, C drive, open a file explorer, go to C drive, and in the programming files, the one before, not x86, the normal one. Yep. If you scroll down, you can see a Java. Yes, for no, no, Java folder. Open Java folder. Yep. Yep. Now we set up the Java on your system. So all softwares will be located in programming files. Okay. So whatever software you download on your laptop, all software will be located in programming files. So since you install Java, so Java folder is created and the software is added here. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
open any one of that folder. Open JDK. Better go for JDK. Open JDK folder.
This one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, JDK. And go to
Bin.
bin, yeah. Copy this path.
Um, yeah, I just want to let you know, I
Mm-hmm.
I did my Java version and it's
Mm-hmm.
showing me version 20. So
Uh-huh. Okay.
I thought I uninstalled that.
That's fine. We can do it later. First we'll set up Profis laptop, then later we can go with you, okay?
Yeah,
I
no problem.
think you can install yourself. Like if you go to programming files, go to Java for Java folder, like Rafi opened just now. There you can see Java latest. I mean the Javas that you have in your laptop. You can just install that folder so that it will remove permanently. Okay. You can just give it a try. If it doesn't work, we'll look into that. Okay.
problem. Yeah.
Yeah. So you copied this path, right, Rafi?
Yeah.
So, oh, okay, open environment variables.
Open environment variables.
You can just search at the bottom. Yeah. Go to system variables. Yep. Okay, go to path variables. Same path, like we added a MySQL, right? Select the path in the system. Okay, and select that. You clicked OK, I think. You need to double click it. Yes. Click edit and go down and add this path. And click OK. And OK again. And OK. Now go to terminal. And same Java I space hyphen version. I think you gave space in the beginning. Okay. Close this terminal and open the terminal again.
Variables.
Version. Okay, could not create the Java virtual machine. Okay, so go to folder again, the one that is in your back. I mean, just minimize this terminal. And copy this path. Go to the JDK folder inside it. Yep. Go to that inside. Go to open that. Yeah. And copy this path. Yes. And open environment variables again. And in the system variables, not here. Cancel this and click new. Yep. And give name as a Java home. Okay. Give capital letters.
All caps.
Yep. Java hyphen underscore home. Yep. And under variable value, give the, yep. And click OK. Now open a path variable here that you opened previously. Yes. Click edit and remove that the last one we added. Okay. So open, I mean, go to there again. We'll add a new variable to that. So give it like a percentage symbol, percentile, and Java home capitals JAVA and capital letters Java home, Java home, JAVA underscore home, and again percentile slash backward slash. Yep. And bin. Yep. And click OK. Yes. And click OK now again. And again OK here. Now open a new terminal and type Java space hyphen version. Okay, could not create. It should work actually. Hmm, Let me check it once. If possible, can you restart your system once? It should work actually. We set up everything.
Yeah.
Hey, so Kranti,
Hi, Anand. You guys are doing parallelly?
doing what you said?
I mean, you guys set upping with the following Rafi?
Yeah, I'm
You
trying to um give me 1 second. Let me find that file. What I tried to do is I just tried to uninstall my
You can share your screen. Meanwhile, you can just
yeah.
we can uninstall Java 21.
Yeah, I already uninstalled it.
Uh-huh.
Um, why is this file still unextracted? Okay.
It's very hectic to
Okay,
set
no,
up
I found it.
actually. It,
I
it
found
will
it.
take a lot of time.
No, I found it. I found it. Okay,
You found it, okay.
I'm just gonna reinstall it and then let me show you my screen and then perhaps we can write the
Mm,
file location directly.
okay.
You think that's a good idea?
Mm-hmm.
No. Um, yeah, just gonna reinstall the Java.
Mm-hmm.
I uninstalled Java 20 and then I also uninstalled the Java 8. So now we're gonna
Setting
reinstall
of
it.
reinstalling, okay.
Okay, so you see it says install two program files, Java.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Yep.
Should I just leave it like that or should I change it?
Yeah, you can just leave it like that.
Okay.
Hi, Jack. Are you able to doing following?
What'd you say, Kranti?
Are you able to following? I'm talking with Jack. Is it he's not here?
Jack? Oh, Zach. Yeah, no, yeah, he left.
Zach.
It looks like
Zach
he
here.
left. He left. Yeah.
Okay.
No problem though. We can move on without him.
Okay. You can help them.
Okay, so I'm back. I restarted the
Mhm.
whole thing.
Okay.
So you said to do command prompt.
Yep. Command prompt. Java.
Still says the same thing.
Okay. Wait. Just type Java instead of hyphen. Yep. Click enter. Yep. It's recognizing. Okay. We'll do one more thing. We'll do one more command. Okay. Type Java space hyphen capital V. Click enter. Okay. Well, let me check command ones, like how to check version in Windows. Okay. Type Java, small letters, Java, space, hyphen, version. Okay. Click enter. Oh, yeah. Okay. Got it. It's detecting, and it is showing Java version 1.8, right? So now we're good with Java. We set up Java. Okay.
Wait, say that one more time.
I mean, it is showing detecting. I mean, your laptop is detecting Java that we have installed.
Okay.
It is showing Java version 1.8, which is our version that we need for SailPoint. So now we are good
Okay.
with Java setup. Now we will go to MySQL, okay?
Okay.
Just close this terminal. Go to the programming files. Open the folder. We will uninstall the MySQL that you have previously, okay?
Okay.
Go to programming files. Not this one, the one. Okay, open this one. Open this. Okay, installer for Windows. Open second one. Open second folder. Open the second folder. Yeah. MySQL installer. Okay. Okay, just leave it like this. Do you remember any password, something like that for your MySQL that you have set up last time? Username, password, by
Mm,
chance?
no, I don't remember anything from what I did last time.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Go to command prompt and just type MySQL, MySQL, and click enter. Let's do that okay. Type MySQL, MySQL, space, U, hyphen U, hyphen U, space, root, ROOT, space, hyphen, P, and click enter. Type ROOT and enter. Okay. I think you forgot your password. We need to get your password.
Okay.
Do you have any go-to passwords like while you're setuping? Maybe just give
You
a
can try it.
try.
Same thing, right?
Yeah, just need to type that and need to give a password for that. MySQL, you forgot. You didn't give MySQL in the beginning. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Yes, it worked, man. You got the
oh, nice.
password.
I got
I
the
got the
command
command
prompt.
prompt.
I got the command. Oh,
You can save this password somewhere. We need that.
Okay,
I
I
think
got
that
it in
in
my
future.
memory. If we
yeah.
need to use this, now we'll know it's the password.
I got my command prompt to detect the Java, but it was only just one
Mhm.
hyphen version. When I do 2 - version, it says could not. It says
Yeah, you should not do two hyphens. Just type one hyphen and type version after that. Java space hyphen version.
yeah, it says version 1.80 underscore
Okay.
1.
So yeah, now I think you got it. Like you are good with the Java setup on your
But
laptop.
my MySQL is not detecting.
MySQL is not detecting. I mean, just I showed you before, right? Just go to the programming files and go to the bin folder of the MySQL, copy that path, and give it in environment variables in the path variable. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, you said go to the bin file and then do what?
Go to bin folder
Mm-hmm.
in MySQL,
Right.
copy that path,
Copy the path. Okay.
and go to environment variables. Inside the environment variables, there you can see system variables. Inside the system variables, you can see path variable. Inside the path variable, you need to add the MySQL path that you have copied.
Click add new.
And no, you should not add new. Just click path
Edit.
variable already existed. Already existed path variable will be there. Just edit that.
Here, can I share my screen with you?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Go to environment variables.
Just have to open it. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So
Go to system variables, not here. Go to system variables.
okay,
There you can see path variable already existed one. Yep.
this one.
And click edit. Yes.
Why is the edit not
Why is not edit not coming? Are you? Is it your laptop?
yeah, it is. I
Uh-huh.
need to maybe
Okay.
I should run it as an administrator.
Yeah.
How do I run as administrator? Do you know how to run as administrator? How do I do that?
I have no idea, but go to accounts. Uh,
Accounts.
accounts. Yeah.
Okay. Change account user control.
Uh, yeah. Go to there. I also don't know. Just need to give a trial and error. Choose. We need to notify. Like how many accounts are there
One.
in your laptop?
Just
If
one.
there is one, then you are the administrator, right?
Yeah.
Then why it is not giving you? Okay, just click OK there. Need to check on Google how to be an administrator. Change use account control settings. Click OK here once. Tell me about it. Yeah, I think you are administrator now.
Yeah, I've always been the administrator. I'm not sure why. And
It's very difficult to debug this kind of stuff. We don't know where they stored the information and all that. Just need to go to every settings and need to find that. Go to environment variables at the bottom. In computer name itself, advanced, yeah. Yep. Go to
okay,
path.
yeah.
Yep, now you got it, I think.
Path and then edit.
Edit, yes, edit. and add the path that you have copied.
A new path.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The bin,
Yes,
right?
and yes, the bin. Yep, and click OK and save it. Click OK again. Yes. Open this, close this terminal and open new one if possible.
Oh,
Give double hyphen for MySQL.
access denied. Okay. And then you said, was it
It
you?
is MySQL
Oh, yeah. And then you said
and
you,
space hyphen. No,
uh,
no, no.
hyphen.
You and version. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, it's now detecting. So
perfect.
type this like MySQL, MySQL,
Yeah,
space u hyphen u.
yeah.
No, just single hyphen,
Okay.
space root, space
P,
p. Yeah, and enter.
hyphen P or just P?
Hyphen p, you are good. And click enter
Yeah,
and type the password that you have. Yeah, you got it.
perfect.
Your server is working now. Okay.
Okay. Now
Now,
we need to help Rafi.
yes, now we go with Rafi. So we are done with setuping Java and MySQL. Now we need to set up Tomcat server, our server, okay?
Okay.
So go to Tomcat for file that you have downloaded. I think you already did. Go to SailPoint folder that you have created on your desktop.
Oh, it was already in there. So I shouldn't go
Yep.
to the Tomcat 9.0 that I downloaded?
Mm-hmm. No, not this one.
Not this one?
Mm-hmm. Close this tab. Close the terminal. Uh, you already created one folder on your desktop, right? SailPoint somewhere.
No, I don't think so. Where? I only have for SailPoint file, I only have this.
Am I talking with Hanad or
Yeah,
Rafi?
on a
Hanad. Okay. I on Rafi's laptop I created one SailPoint folder, so I thought I'm talking with Rafi. Okay.
should I install Tomcat or should we
Yes.
help Rafi fix his MySQL and find his password?
Yes, go to that folder. We will set up Tomcat. So
This one,
which
right?
one
Tomcat 9.0.
to whom I want to set up? Rafi or Hanad? You guys decide. Because
Rafi,
switching between.
Rafi, did you find your password?
Yeah.
Yes, he got
Okay.
it. He signed it. Okay.
Okay, go ahead and help Rafi then catch up. I'll stop sharing
Hmm.
my screen. And I'll just go ahead and then extract and install this
Tomcat.
Tomcat. Is
Hmm.
it the 9.0 or the one in the SailPoint file that you sent?
Tomcat 9.4.
Okay.
Yes. You can download easily from the Google. From Google.
I think I already
They
ran the
you
installation.
already have? Okay. Rafi, you can share your screen.
Yeah. Okay.
So go to desktop. There we created a SailPoint folder, right? Open that. Open Tomcat. Okay, 1 second. Okay, copy this path. Copy the path of this folder on from top till Tomcat. Yes. Copy address. I can open system variables. I mean the environment variables. Click edit environment variables.
This one, right?
Yep. Click new now. We will add a new variable. Okay. So give name as Catalina home. I'll put in chart. Okay. So
Okay.
you can just copy paste it. You can copy from chart. I just texted there. Oh, I texted on Google Zoom. I'll put in WhatsApp. You want me to send it on WhatsApp?
That's usually better, but it's fine. I can get it from there too.
Mm-hmm. Just stay on WhatsApp. I'll send on WhatsApp since you're already in WhatsApp, right?
So what do I do with this?
Yeah. Call. Which one? I sent you a text in group.
Yeah, I copied it. Then what?
You copied that. Go
Yeah.
to environment variables. Yep. Variable name as that one, Catalina home. Paste it here under variable name. And for a variable value, you need to paste the path that you have copied. Oh, I think it's gone. Again, you need to copy the path. So go to folder. Oh, you already have that. Okay, that's good.
Which path? This one?
Yep, that one. Oh, 1 second. So is it in OneDrive, the folder? Is it not in your desktop?
We copied this one right here.
Yeah, we can do that, but I have a question for you. Like, is your desktop on your OneDrive?
It looks like it's in his
Uh-huh.
OneDrive.
I think so, maybe because it's all underneath this thing right here.
Uh-huh, okay. Okay. So these all are in Drive. Okay. We'll check
Maybe
it once
so.
whether it will work or not. Just copy that path.
This, right?
Yeah, this one. And paste it and save it. Okay. Now we are good. And we'll take the SailPoint software and we will paste that in a Tomcat server, okay?
Okay.
I think you guys received IdentityIQ 8.4 folder in your WhatsApp. You can download from there. Go to WhatsApp.
Say that one more time.
You can close this. You can click say OK and you can close these tabs. Now we need to download IdentityIQ software. Now we are good with setting a Tomcat server, okay?
Okay.
Now your system can understand where is a Tomcat server since we have added a system variable, right? So your laptop will go to system variable and it will find Catalina home and it will start automatically. So now we are good with server, Tomcat server. Now we need to download SailPoint software. Okay.
Okay.
So I already shared a zip file over WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp and download the SailPoint software.
Where?
Identity IQ 8.4. Yep, that one.
And where can I find that?
So to download it, we need to go to SailPoint's website. There you can see it.
Oh, that's gonna go to my
Oh
phone.
no.
That's gonna
Oh,
go to
you're
my
not.
phone.
Oh, you're not in this group. Okay.
I mean, it's gonna go to my cell phone, not really.
Uh-huh. You
No.
can log on your laptop to web.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to install WhatsApp.
You don't need to install. Just go to Chrome and just do web login. So meanwhile, let me find a download from a SailPoint website itself so that you no need to worry about WhatsApp. Let me check it once.
Oh, so wait. I need to run that, right?
I'm not seeing your screen. One second. I'm just checking
Oh,
download link for for SailPoint. Sorry.
so I clicked it. It's saying it's not finding it.
Yeah, we'll figure out. One second.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so open
Can
WhatsApp, Profi. I couldn't find the link. I mean, it is asking for login credentials. Since we didn't have logins, we
you send
can't
it to me
download
in
it.
can you send it to the WhatsApp link on I mean
WhatsApp
that
again?
point that point link?
Okay.
I think
SailPoint WhatsApp.
Poppy added me to the group, it looks like.
Mm-hmm. Okay, like that. Since it is 200 MB, no, it's 546 MB. I think it will take some time to come from to your side. Let me select. I will share a drive link, okay? That will be good, I think. I just uploaded on my Google Drive. So you guys can download from there. That will be easy for us instead of
Oh,
WhatsApp.
you said the Google Drive, the same one?
Yep. Yep. No, not the same one. I uploaded the software in my drive and I'm adding you guys to that so that you guys can download from there. I will share link in a minute, okay? Just a
Okay.
second. I'm adding you guys your emails.
Okay.
You guys got a link on your email? I
Yeah,
Um,
just
I got it.
added you guys to that.
I got it.
Or if you can check on your email, you can get there.
download this.
Yes, download that.
How much longer are we gonna be in class?
I think I'm available till 2 to something like that. So we'll see. Like we try to complete by that time to set up SailPoint. If not, we'll continue next class tomorrow.
Okay.
You guys are available, right? Till 2 o'clock?
I really need to get to some of my recruiter messages and that kind of stuff. So I was gonna say we already spent like what, an hour and a half at
Or
least, right?
yes.
Maybe we can end like at 1:30 or something, and then we can pick up either
Okay.
later in the evening or tomorrow.
We can connect tomorrow. We'll continue till 1:30 and
Okay.
we can.
I'm available. I can keep going until 2 if you're willing to.
Mhm. I mean, like, I need to teach Rafi again, right? So, I mean, if you guys all at one play, I
Yeah, yeah,
mean, at the
we don't
same
need to do it
time, we
separately.
know
Yeah.
repeat that again. Yeah. So
Okay.
that's like, again, explaining is it
Okay.
takes time.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem. I mean, you guys just can go through the things that we did today. I think we did a lot today. We downloaded many softwares. You can just take a note of that and you guys can practice on that in theoretical way so that you guys can remember all those if anybody asks, if any recruiter asks for that in interviews.
Okay, so this is one. Which one do I open?
Yes,
The
copy that
SailPoint
file,
software.
copy that file, var file, copy that.
Copy which file?
The fifth one. Yes, that one. Copy that and go to desktop, open SailPoint folder. It's in front of you. Is SailPoint
Oh, over
folder.
here.
Go to
Oh,
Tomcat. Go to web apps. Web app folder. Copy. Paste it here. Now we placed the SailPoint software in the server. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Good. Now we need to start the server. Okay. I mean the
Okay.
Tomcat server. If you remember last time I told you, like to run any software we need a server, right?
Mm-hmm.
So since we placed our SailPoint software, we need a server for that to run. So now we need to start Tomcat. Okay.
Okay.
So go to bin folder. I mean, go to command prompt and we need to go to Tomcat bin folder. Okay. So
Okay.
for that, just minimize this command prompt. Go to Tomcat, like just come backward. In that same folder, click back arrow. Yeah. Go to bin. This is the folder where Tomcat server operations will perform like start, stop, logs, whatever, Catalina, and all that will be here in this folder. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So to start it, there you can see a file called startup
Okay.
that we need to trigger that file. Okay. So to do that, copy this path, copy this bin path, go to terminal. I mean the command prompt that you have opened before. CD, yes, give CD before and space and type this path. I mean, paste this path, enter. Yep. Now you are in this folder. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
Tomcat zip bin folder.
Mm-hmm.
Now we need to run startup script that have inside that folder. Okay. So to do that, we need to follow some syntax called dot slash dot, no space, just dot slash forward slash. Yes. Now we need to type the file name that we need to run. Okay. So if we see in Tomcat bin folder, there is a file called startup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We need to run that. So type startup, start, start IP up dot sh and click enter.
Question, Kranti, should I
Mhm.
extract this Apache Tomcat file?
Yes, you need to extract that.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay. Or else just remove that sh dot slash.
And the same for the identity IQ file you sent, extracted as well?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you don't need to extract that. Okay, you need to extract first. There inside you will find a war file. You don't need to extract that war file. Just copy that file and paste it in Tomcat server in web apps folder.
So I don't need to extract the identity IQ file you sent.
You need to install the zip file first. Then later inside that you will find a identity IQ war file
Yeah,
dot
I'm
war
looking I'm
file.
looking at the .war file, correct.
Yeah, you no need to extract that.
Okay.
Just copy that and paste it in Tomcat web apps folder. Okay. Now back to Rafi. Uh, give a top arrow on your keyboard. Yeah. Remove that sh dot sh. Yes. Click enter. Okay. Dot is not recognized as internal or external command. Mhm. Just type startup
So
dot
just
sh.
paste it like it right inside the web apps folder and like don't.
Yes, just paste it. That's it. Okay. Type startup, start start, up up. Rafi,
Yeah.
You
type
said
startup,
oh,
startup
Yeah.
dot bat.
Bat.
Yeah. Yes. Enter. Okay. Now your server started running. Click allow. Now your server is running. Okay. So, and if you see in the bottom, our IdentityIQ.war file is deployed. Deploying web application. Okay.
Okay.
So if we go to Tomcat web apps folder, go to Tomcat web apps folder, web apps folder. If you see, there's a folder called web apps. Now, if you see identity IQ folder is extracted without you are doing that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So your server did that automatically. You just pasted your WAR file over there. Once you start the server, it extracted the existing web app that is identity IQ web app, and it is just created folder for that.
Okay.
So your identity IQ folder is deployed successfully on your Tomcat server. Okay.
Okay. Makes sense.
Now open Chrome once. If possible, we can see whether we can able to access it or not. Type localhost 8080. Not like that. Type localhost. Give a what we call colon. Yep, and enter. So if you see this, it means your server is running on the port under port 8080. Your Tomcat is running under port 8080. It is listening under 8080 port. Okay. So if you
Got it.
see there is a option called manager app.
Manager app.
Yep. Uh, these credentials, you can find it on your Tomcat folder. Okay, go to Tomcat folder once. No, this one, I think. Yep. Go to Tomcat. Go to config conf. Yeah. Go to Tomcat users file, XML file. From bottom, third one. Open a new tab or notepad, whatever, it's fine. Scroll down. There you can see username, password, anything like that. Username Tomcat and password Tomcat. Type Tomcat in the browser once. Okay, wait. Open that file one more time. Sorry. Scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
There you see username Tomcat. Password is must be changed, right? Just type
Uh-huh.
type Tomcat there. Remove that must be changed.
Right here.
No, not this one. The from top third one. Yep, that one. Tomcat username Tomcat.
This one.
Yes, that one.
Put in.
Remove those greater than less than symbols too. Remove that completely and type Tomcat, small letters Tomcat, and save it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, close it and open Chrome
Mhm.
and restart it. Give Tomcat username password.
Just like that, right?
Yes, like that. Okay, I think it's not detecting. That's fine. It's not a big deal. We can check it later. Right now, what like the purpose we achieved, I think just we need to, the purpose of starting server is to extract that WAR file. I think we did that. That's okay. We can check
Mhm.
it later why server is not detecting our app. Okay, I mean on in the Chrome. So we can stop the server. Go to terminal, just like we did the startup.bat. There is a file called shutdown.bat2. So type shutdown.bat. Now your server is stopped. Okay.
Mhm. On the web, right?
On the web too. Yep. Try to refresh that page. There you can see file, I mean URL not found, something like that. It will come. Yep.
Like that.
The site cannot be reached. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Until now, we just set up, I mean, we installed a few softwares, Java, MySQL, and SailPoint and
Yeah.
Tomcat.
Can you help
We,
me with my server as well? I didn't. Um,
hmm You can't able to start it?
um, I'm just a little confused on what do I put in the command prompt exactly.
Uh-huh.
Let
Just,
me share my screen.
yeah, you can share your screen.
Yeah.
Go to Apache Tomcat bin folder.
Okay.
Copy this path, the bin folder path. Or else you can just double click on startup.sh. There you
Okay.
can see a
I
file
copied
where
the address.
you copied that. Okay. Go to command prompt, type it.
Yeah.
Give cd space
CD where? Type what?
the type cd
CD. How you spell that? Series?
c. No,
Like the
no.
letter C.
C,
C
letter
D
C. Yeah, cd.
D as in Delta.
D. Oh.
Come on, son. Take those earplugs out.
Space. Space. Sorry
Space.
for my pronunciation.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
it's an Indian accent, so it's a bit weird.
Yeah,
Closing off backstage.
it's a little thick. Okay, CD space.
And paste it what you have copied before and click enter and type startup.bat start up dot bat and click enter.
Okay.
Environment variable need to be run this program. Have you set up Catalina home variable, environment variable that like Rafi did before?
I thought I did. Let's take a look at it. Okay.
You did it.
It looks
You need to remove the bin. You should
remove the
not
bin.
be remove the bin
Okay.
and click OK and OK and OK and now run it again.
Oh,
Startup dot.
should I close the command prompt and restart it or
We'll try it. If it is not coming, you can close
okay.
it and open again.
So startup.bat.
Yep. You can click up arrow. It will come automatically. It's startup. START startup.bat.
Okay.
Okay, it's not detecting. So close it and open again. Again, you need to copy that. Oh, it's already there. Okay. Click enter. Startup.bat.
That means what? Batch?
Either
Batch file?
it's kind of it's one of the file type in Windows.
Yeah, neither Java home nor the
Buddy,
home.
you haven't configured Java Home too.
Okay. Where do I find that?
Same. Go
It's in
to
Java.
C drive, Java folder.
I'll go to the Java folder.
Yeah, go to C drive.
Here.
Yep. Go to Java, JDK, and go to bin and copy this path.
Okay.
And paste it here.
Paste it like a new.
No, no, in the path variable. Go to path one, path, PATH. There is a one variable called path in system variables. Yep.
This one.
Click edit. There, add a new variable.
Oh, add a new one.
Mm, yes, and save it. And you need to add one more variable. Click new, not there, separate variable, and
New.
type Java home, JAVA underscore home, and under variable value, paste it what you have copied before and remove those bin, remove the bin and just save it. And okay, we'll check it. We missed one thing, but okay, I think it will work. Click OK. And again, OK. Try run it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Close it.
Close it. Yep. No, we should copy from the. You placed on downloads in downloads your Tomcat.
Yeah.
You haven't created a new folder for that. Better you can create a new folder so that it will be easy for you to access that anytime you
Should I
want.
just move it? Should I move it to another place?
Yes, go to desktop and create a new folder called SailPoint. In that SailPoint, place the Tomcat server. And it is easy for us to debug next time whenever we face an issue.
Okay, and then just move the whole file.
Not a whole file. Yeah, no, only this. Yes.
Cut or copy?
Copy or whatever you want. Go to desktop. Go to SailPoint. Paste it here. I think we need to change the environment variables too, since we have changed the file path, right?
Okay. Which one should I change? This one? Catalina Home?
Catalina Home, yes.
Oh, this is the wrong desktop. This is the one. This is OneDrive. Does it work on the OneDrive?
It's working. We tried with Rafi, it's working, yes. It's working in OneDrive also.
Okay. Actually, I'd rather just have it on my regular desktop. I'm gonna.
It will kill your space. Better you can put in your laptop's hardware itself instead of on the
Yeah.
cloud.
Yeah.
Yeah. Every time you open it will load and it will be slow.
Right.
So currently, are you working or you're also looking for a job?
Yeah, I'm looking for a job, and this
Ah.
this will help me a lot because I've never worked with SailPoint before,
Okay.
and I want to be able to speak to SailPoint in an interview or something like that.
Okay. I'm also applying for SailPoint jobs, but I'm not getting any calls.
Mm.
You guys have any referrals kind of thing?
I'm not sure.
I can. I think we talked a little
Yeah.
bit about this last time, Kranti. You need to, both of you guys,
Mm.
it's a volume game.
Mm.
There are candidates that are applying to jobs using AI. They're cranking out 5, 6, 7,000, 10,000 job applications a day, right?
Mm.
Doesn't matter all the skills you have in the world. If you're not getting your name out there and separating yourself from those people, you're not going to get seen. Like that's the number
Okay.
one thing I've learned is that it's just a volume game. Like you got to apply to a lot of jobs because people are
Okay.
sending thousands of resumes in right now.
Application.
So that's
Understand
why
that.
I was gonna say like I think
should
we
be
meet in the
active.
evenings because during the day right now, like 7, 8 recruiters called me and I haven't been able to get to them. I think during the day
Uh-huh.
we need to be just spending our entire time just simply being as
Applying for
active,
job now.
talking to these
Hmm.
people as we can. And I'll show you how to
Yes.
use the virtual assistants as well if you want to set up some time.
Yep. We can work on that. I'm free tomorrow, so we can connect it early,
If
like
you
7 p.m.
if you
Yep.
want to, right after this call, I'm actually gonna have a meeting with my VA. So if
Uh-huh.
you want, you can join that call too, so you can see like how I manage, my desk
Okay.
and like how do I train them, how do I get them to apply for the
Uh-huh.
jobs. Like I'm gonna go over a lot of those things with my VA if you want to join that call.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll try to join. It's at what time it is? It's 2
Right
p.m.
after this call, I'm just waiting for y'all to finish so I can start that.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. I think it won't take much time. Just we'll set up this server and we can close it for today.
Yeah.
So okay, you will teach them like that. You will
Well,
guide
I'm
them
going
how
over
to
some
apply.
things with my VA because he's
Mm.
not doing things correctly. So in that call,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna show him a lot of the stuff, how to apply to jobs, how to set up how to train the
Okay.
other VAs. Like I'm teaching my VA how to manage the other VAs.
Hey, so
Uh-huh.
as you can
Okay,
see,
can
I edited the location on system variables. Is there anything else I should edit?
yes, you're good to go. You can close it. You can click OK and open new terminal.
Yeah.
Give CD
Oh yeah.
CD space and startup dot bat. It's for it's it's working, I think.
Cool.
Yeah, it's running. Yep, your server is running. You can go to Chrome and
Click allow.
yeah, click allow.
Java. I used to use that back in the day to play
Mhm.
chess. I used to play
Okay.
chess on free internet chess server, and they would make you download the Java applet.
Okay.
It's called. And
That's
using that
so
Java
Java.
applet, you then would
Mhm.
connect from your desktop to that web server.
Okay, now
Oh, okay. Nice. Now you're good, Hannah. You can go to Chrome and type localhost -8080 so that you can access your server. Open new tab. And we just set up the like 40%. There's a lot we need to do for SailPoint setup. We need to set up a database.
like
We
this.
need to give a colon before 8080, not the full stop. Yep. And enter.
It's loading.
So what I'm saying is like we just set up softwares only. So there's a lot we need to configure, okay? From SailPoint side, like we need to set up a few files, we need to set up database on your MySQL server, okay? So
Mhm.
be prepared for that.
Hmm. Why is it not loading, Kranti? Is there something wrong?
It will allow. I think it is taking some time. It should allow. Open command prompt that you uh, executing that file. You executed that file. Yeah, the second one. Yeah.
This one?
Second one. You
This
open that. Yes, this one. Okay. Just scroll up a bit. to the top.
Yeah, I'm at
Only it is coming. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down once. Scroll down. Scroll down. It is running under port 8080 only, so you should access that. Try to refresh it again. Or else stop the server and start it again. That's the only option we can do because it's showing working over there, but we couldn't access here.
Okay, how do I stop the server?
Just type shutdown.bat. I think there's a problem with the server. It is throwing some errors. Close the terminal once. We'll see what happened.
What?
Open a new terminal. Close this. Close these terminals that you have opened before. And open command prompt again. New terminal. Rafi, if you want, you can leave. I will help him to set up server and we will close today for today.
Okay, sounds good, man.
Because
I'll send you the
busy
link
by-
to the other call once I
Uh-huh.
finish my personal conversations with my VA, then you can join when we do the
Yeah,
job
sure. Okay.
related stuff.
And
Okay.
I have a question regarding the payment thing. So is
Okay, let
the
me
did you
stop
figure?
that recording 1 second.
Yeah, sure. You can.